Haptic technology, revolutionizing your driving experience. Haptic technology uses tactile feedback to enhance the driver experience. It includes vibrations, sounds, and more. Haptic alerts in cars enhance safety by providing real-time information without distracting drivers. Diverse haptic elements include audio, tactile, force feedback, kinesthetic, thermal, motion, electrotactile, pressure sensitive, and surface haptics. Haptic feedback is integrated into multiple aspects of modern vehicles, from steering wheels to touchscreen displays. Audio haptics is sound feedback that enhances digital interactions. In vehicles, it enriches the driving experience through elements like clicks, ramps, buzzes, and pulses, providing responsive and immersive audio cues. Tactile haptics involves physical touch sensations such as pressure, texture, temperature, to simulate the feel of interacting with physical objects commonly used in touchscreens, buttons, and surfaces. Force feedback utilizes forces or resistance to stimulate the sensation of interacting with physical objects. As haptic technology advances, we can expect even more innovative applications shaping the future of automotive technology. Haptic technology transforms the way we interact with cars, making driving safer, more enjoyable, and intuitive. Experience the future of driving with haptic technology.